everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 124 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out another color of this Rimmel London Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner. So today I have it in the shade Peachy Beachy, such a cute name, but I already tried it out on my channel in the shade Pink a Punch, which I really liked. So I found both of these at the Dollar Tree. So they were only $1 each. And when I was there, I couldn't decide which color to get. So I ended up buying both of them. Hopefully I made the right decision and that I end up liking both of them. I already love this Pink a Punch. It's so pretty. It has such great color and it has like no transfer, and I can wear it as a full lip shade under other lip colors just as a lip liner. Like, it's really a great lip liner and it's only $1. So we're gonna see today if this one is just as good. So these lip liners are really nice because they're automatic. You just can twist it up and down and it's retractable. So that's really easy. You don't have to worry about sharpening it. Let's see how this writes. Wow, that tip is very soft because it completely broke when I just wrote on my hand, and I feel like I didn't even press down that hard. Wow, as I'm looking at this on my hand, it has some silver shimmer, like silver sparkle to it. I feel like lip liners don't usually have sparkle, so that's pretty. We'll see if it actually looks sparkly on my lips, but it did draw with very pretty, like peach coral color. Some pretty good pigment. It's just that it's very soft and it broke so easily. Let's go ahead and see how it is on my lips. Okay, so my lips are lined and I was able to line them so easily, but I really am seeing shimmer. It's such a pretty color and it really is different from the other shade, the Pink a Punch, because that shade was much more of a bright pink. This is very coral, and even though they kind of look similar in their packaging, this one definitely does look very different. Since it's such a pretty color and it has that pretty shimmer to it, I want to go ahead and fill in my entire lips so then we can really see what it looks like. Okay, there we go. And wow, it's such a pretty color and it's very bright. I'm not sure if the camera can show how bright it actually is, but it's a very pretty kind of orangey coral, but it has a lot of shimmer. It kind of has like a metallic effect to it because it's still matte, but it has that silver sparkle shimmer to it. The other shade definitely didn't have that shimmer sparkle to it, so that was a fun surprise because I love a metallic kind of shimmery lip. I will say this does feel pretty dry on my lips once I've completely filled my lips in, and you can see a lot of like the creasing kind of wrinkling in my lips, and it's definitely sticky. Let's do a kiss test and see how it transfers. Wow, no transfer. Like, no matter how hard I'm trying to like press my lips on my hand, I'm getting no transfer. Like, this lip product is going to be long lasting. You're going to be able to wear it throughout eating and drinking, which to me is very important. And because of that, I'm definitely going to continue to wear this. I feel like it's a really pretty summer shade. Even though it feels a little drying on my lips, I still have like chapped lips, but it doesn't feel like my lips are chapped. It just kind of feels like I'm not wearing any sort of glossy lip product. It just feels like a very matte lip, but it doesn't look super matte because of that sheen. The color is so pigmented and it's going to last so nicely since it's not going to transfer. Yay, so I can definitely say that I'm really happy that I purchased both colors because both of them are so good and they're pretty different. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions of what I should pair this lip with, whether it's like an eyeshadow look, a type of outfit. I think that I could have a lot of fun with this lip shade. It's such a fun summer shade. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.